are Christy and Jessica from Helping Hands Doula, and we have been supporting families for over 16 years. Today we're going to talk to you about making energy balls. So energy balls are something that we recommend to our clients as a snack that you can bring to the hospital. There are lots of healthy snacks that you can bring, and these are a quick and easy one that is nice and portable.
So super easy, it'll take you 5 minutes to make. You're gonna take a cup of oats, so I have large flake oatmeal. You're gonna take a 1/4 cup of your favorite nut butter or nut-free butter. So I've got peanut butter here. If you had a nut allergy, you could do sunflower seed butter or wow butter. I've got a 1/4 cup of honey. If you don't like honey, you can use another liquid sweetener like, can't think of one off the top of my head. Sorry. 1/2 cup of chocolate, M&Ms or nuts, teaspoon of vanilla, and just a pinch of salt. You're gonna mix it all together, and then we're gonna roll them into balls.
So some of the other snacks that you can bring to the hospital are cheese and crackers, nuts and seeds, granola bars, protein bars. We definitely recommend that you pack something a bit more substantial for your partner. So that could be some sandwiches, really anything that they enjoy. Something without a strong smell, because we are a little bit more sensitive during our labor time, so you want something that does not have a strong odor to it if your partner is going to be eating it. Quick and easy is always great. 1 bite after a contraction, and then after a couple of more contractions you can have another bite. You don't want to overdo it and have too much in your stomach, because that will definitely feel uncomfortable as you're going through contractions.
So when you've mixed your batter, it should look pretty much like this. If it's too wet, add more dry oatmeal, and if it's too dry, just add more nut butter. So you're going to take about a tablespoon or so, mix it into your hands, and you're just gonna roll them into balls.
Very squishy.
So when you're finished with all of these, you're gonna pop them into either the fridge for about 30 minutes or pop them right into the freezer, which can stay for about 3 months, and you can pop them out during labor time.
We have our finished product, and these have been in the freezer. How long do you think it would take to freeze them?
Like 30 minutes to an hour. Yeah, very, very quick. Nice to keep in the freezer so you can pop them out postpartum or for birth.
Can't wait to eat these. So for more information on our birth services, postpartum support, or anything else related to your new family, please contact us at helpinghandsdoula.com. We would love to schedule an in-person consultation. We can't wait to meet with you.